Today's tip is about using the data tool Crossproduct in Phoenix. This is a data management tool and it's called Crossproduct Worksheets. This tool can save you a lot of time creating new data sets or even filling down a value within a profile. For example, if you wish to create a data set for simulation that has subjects and several times for each subject, you can accomplish this by doing a cross product of two simple worksheets, one that contains the subject and the other one that contains the time. So we have 3 rows and 4 rows, and we end up having 12 rows as our end product. Let me show you how to do this in Phoenix. I have this worksheet here that has 10 subject numbers, and I send it to this data management called Crossproduct Worksheet. I pick a second one, which will be this times worksheet. Let me show you how this looks like. In this worksheet, I simply have several times. So in the first one, I can select to sort by subject, and in the second one, to sort by time. Simply by doing this, we'll generate 2 outputs. This one is a combination of the sorts. Both of them in this case will be the same since we only have one sort for each. And you can see that I already then get for each subject all these times. So very quickly, I have created this data set. And of course, if I make a change, if I add something here, 92 hours, I can rerun this very quickly and get that data set. So this can save you quite a lot of time. Okay, let's assume that we have already done some work. And this data set that we had originally created, I have done some simulations with it, and I have this table 1 here that has a simulated concentration at all these time points. Assume that maybe I get now the treatment associated with each subject. I can take that simulated data set, send it to the Crossproduct worksheet, and then sort by whatever I want to retain. In this case, it would be subject here, and I'm going to carry along time and the simulated concentration. And in worksheet 2, I'm going to take the subject and treatment data set. I'm going to sort by both subject and treatment. When you execute this, you will see now that I have for each subject, I have the treatment associated with it. At all the time points, we have different treatments, A's and B's. One last thing that I wanted to show you that is very helpful with Crossproduct is that you can also use it to fill down information. So what do I mean by that? I'm starting with an input data set that has a dose only for 1 row. This could be hour, maybe it's time 0, but these are empty here for that one subject. And this one is 30 at visit 1 in this example, are empty for the others. I would want these to be filled with that dose number. To accomplish this, I first need to run a data wizard that filters null rows. And once I have this, the output is simply 2 rows, the ones that are not null for dose. Now I can take this result and I can send it to Crossproduct worksheet and then sort by dose and subject. In the worksheet 2, I can map the original input data set, the one that has these empty rows for those, and I can select to sort by subject and then carry along visit. When I execute this, you will see that in the second worksheet, I have now filled down all those doses that were originally emptied. So I hope that this tip has helped you understand the power of the Crossproduct data tool, and stay tuned for other tips from Certara University.